Continue working on multisyllabic words where one of the syllables has a vowel R pattern. Remember that the patterns can be R, usually spelled with an AR. They can sound like spelled with ER, IR, UR. And the third pattern is OR, which makes the sound OR. Now we're going to take a look at the words that you'll have in your story this week. The first sound is R. And here are some words. Say party. Okay, go ahead and clap the syllables. Party. You'll see the R in the first syllable. Another word is lifeguard. Clap the syllables with me. Lifeguard. Say alarm. Now clap the syllables. Alarm. That first sound, is your schwa sound. So it's a syllable by itself. The A is acting as an Say guitar. Now clap the syllables. Guitar. The next word is ajar, which means open. The door is ajar, meaning the door is open. So say ajar. Now clap the syllables. Ajar. Just like alarm, the first syllable in ajar is your schwa sound, where the A says The next word is depart. Say the word depart. Now let's clap the syllables. Depart. Next, we're going to move on to your sound. Remember, this can be tricky because there's 3 different spellings for The first word I want to point out to you is the word surf. This is a 1-syllable word, but still has that vowel R pattern spelled with the UR. For multisyllabic words, your story will have every. Sometimes it's pronounced every. So depending on how you pronounce it, it can have 2 syllables or 3 syllables. This word is other. Go ahead and say other. Now let's clap the syllables. Other. This word says later. Repeat the word later. Now let's clap the syllables. Later. Your next word is swimmers. Go ahead and say swimmers. Now let's clap our syllables. Swimmers. This word is water. Say the word. Now let's clap the syllables. Water. This says unhurt. Go ahead and say unhurt. Now clap your syllables. Unhurt. Now the word is sunburned. Say sunburned. Now clap your syllables. Sunburned. That's a pretty long word, but notice it's still 2 syllables. Sunburned. This word is suburbs. So suburbs would be a place where people live that's not in the big city, but it's a little bit further away from the big city. So Los Angeles would be a city, but some of the towns that are maybe 30 minutes away might be considered the suburbs. So say suburbs. Now let's clap our syllables. Suburbs. Suburbs. And we have one more word that has the sound. Say head first. Now clap your syllables. Head first. What I want to point out to you is the words that go every, other, later, swimmers, water. Those are all spelled with the ER. Unhurt, sunburned, suburbs are all spelled with the UR. And head first is spelled with the IR pattern. However, they all still have that sound And then we have our or sound. And there's one word in your story this week that has the or sound. Say before. Now clap your syllables. Before. For your next assignment this week, I'm going to give you one of the syllables from each of the words, and I'm going to have you finish the spelling based off of the letter patterns that we just practiced here.